Old car parked by the chain link gate. Little radio hunting something late. Two plastic chairs and crooked rows. Someone tapping worn out toes. Warm air drifting through the lot. Nothing moving all that hot. Daytime hanging on the line, taking its time. A small song rolling through from a station barely true. Carry thin and low, nice and slow. Let that small program run till the setting of the sun. Hands tapping light on the seat, keeping that beat. Loose sign creaking on a pole. Someone laughing at a joke. Bottle cap along the ground, making little metal sounds. Nothing pressing on the day. Words drifting off halfway. Just a quiet stretch of time, soft in the mind. That same melody returns like a page that slowly turns, floating in the air. Right there, let that small program run till the setting of the sun. Hands tapping light on the seat, keeping that beat. Still giving sound. Street light blinking once or twice, cooling down the day's heat. Someone stretching in the chair, night settling in the air. That same station playing through, nothing new. Years more easy just like this. Small moments we couldn't miss, sliding by